name is Caleb, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Lego coffee machine. So let's get started. Here are the pieces you'll need for the actual machine, and I'll show you the ones for the counter. So let's get started. First you'll need a 2x3 brick and a 2x2 brick. Put them on top of each other like this. And then you'll need two 1x2s and stack them on top of each other. Then put them on here like this. And then put that aside. Then you'll take a 1x2 with a hole in it and take a pin with a stud on it. And then this nozzle piece, two 1x1 tiles. You can do it however you want for the buttons. Then take this piece on, put it on here, put this aside, and get this back. Put a 1x2 plate down here, and then this piece on here, so it looks like this. Then take this piece that you've built, put it on, just like that. Set it aside, and then build a counter. So here are all the pieces you'll need. You can do any kind of pieces, any color, and any type of base plate that will fit. So stack your bricks up like this. Put them on a base plate like this, and then get your machine, and you can put it like this or like this, and then like this. I'm gonna put it like this the normal way, and then that's basically it. So here's how it works. Basically, you get a minifig, pushes all the buttons, put his cup under. Okay, let's get it like that. Then you wait for it to flow into his cup. And now he has a cup full of whipped cream, because he accidentally put whipped cream in the machine instead of coffee. So that's it, I guess. That's it for this video. So go watch all our other videos, and see you later.